Hello there everyone, welcome to Divine Art. I'm Rocky. In today's tutorial, we'll be doing a painting of pretty Piglet. I've got 8 by 8 inches canvas to begin with. The colors I'll be using are already mentioned in the description box. If this is the first time you have visited my channel and you like my paintings, please subscribe as it helps me create more and more videos. I've painted the canvas with a mix of yellow ochre and titanium white. And now I'm sketching the piglet with yellow paint. We can choose any paint to do this sketching part. Today I want to talk about the animal pig as in Chinese Zodiac. The Chinese Zodiac, known as Sheng Xiao, is based on a 12-year cycle, each year in that cycle related to an animal sign. These signs in order are the rat, ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, sheep, monkey, rooster, dog, and pig. It is believed that the ears represented by the animals affect the characters of people in the same way like the Western astrology signs. 2019 is the year of the pig, which is the last animal sign in Chinese Zodiac. A pig represents luck, overall good fortune, wealth, honesty, general prosperity, symbolizing a hardworking and peace-loving person. Born under the zodiac pig, a person's character might be naive and over-reliant. Now I have taken some crimson for the ears and nose, and with the same brush I started using titanium white for the whole body. I'm gonna make this piglet little pinkish, so I'm not using white straight away. Coming back to the Chinese Zodiac we were talking about. Culturally, pigs are considered very lucky creatures at birth. They are always well fed and allowed their ways. That is why many Chinese families look upon sons born under the zodiac as the pig as having been fortunate. They always seem to have someone or other taking care of them. Pigs are also said to be sign of virility, prominently displayed in the bedrooms of couples trying for children. I'm gonna mention the last few year of pig in comment section. Maybe your year of birth falls under year of pig. Coming back to the painting, I'm using a little gray and white for the legs. We should be making them a little brighter so that they can be differentiated from the face of the pig. The pig is bending over the table, so we have to make the elevation of the legs in that way. I'm gonna leave you guys with some music for now. using white paint to highlight the face, a bit over the nose and over the forehead. Do not overdo the highlighting part like I used to do, or maybe still do. And then I have to stop my paintbrush from overdoing it. I'm going to use coarse molding paste for the crown of the piggy. This will give a very nice texture to it. First, I'm making the flowers with white paint. I'm doing this so that I won't make any mistake while using the molding paste directly. The painting looks complete to me. Hope you like it. Please share your feedback in the comment section as it really means a lot to me. Thank you so much for joining the creative process. Have a wonderful day. I'll meet you guys in the next episode with a new inspiration. Till then, bye-bye.